So, good morning, guys. So, we are starting with our trailers, and we are going to do our trailer today at 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock around there because we still have to get ready for our trailer, and then we will see you guys again around 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock.
And our trailer is gonna be a little version of the Blackenings, but there's gonna be a plot twist at one of the places.
Parts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can speak now. Okay, I'm so excited. I can't wait to see it. And yeah.
Matthew, speak.
I can't not wait.
We are so excited for the movie.
We even have some posts on TikTok. The username is Ernestine02.
So
Black Widow.
So our movie's name is The Mini Blackenings. So she will obviously be the mini version of the white girl, and I will be the mini version of the black girl.
There's a lot of black girls. Which one?
Of the
One that wear that yellow
dress.
dress. And he's gonna be
the one shooting. No, not the gay one.
Who's gonna be the gay one then?
Not Matthew. Matthew's gonna be the
He's not
black
gonna be the
one.
gay one.
Okay.
And we're gonna introduce ourselves.
I'm the one with the black suit on.
Shush.
My name is Chloe Poser. I am the main character in the story. I will be monitoring everything that I are doing. I am 13 years old and you can go.
Hi, I'm Ernestine January. I'm also a main character and I'm 9 years old. And 10. Sorry. I'm Estella, I'm 9 years old and I can't wait to shoot the movie.
And my name is Matthew and I can't wait for the movie today, guys.
Okay.